Great food is not just in the recipes, it's in the raw materials and in the methods used to prepare the food. I'm Nelson Head, founder and owner of Dixie Bones. Please join us in this series about how to prepare Southern food and barbecue. Recipes are everywhere, in family recipe boxes, cookbooks, and the internet. Recipes reflect our heritage and our personal and family likes and dislikes. In our food series, we'll demonstrate the proper procedures used to cook real Southern food and barbecue. Once you know how to cook the food, any recipe you prepare will be terrific. This series is not your traditional cooking show where we demonstrate specific recipes. Instead, we're going to focus on the important things you should do to make your recipes better. Our cooks at Dixie Bones are going to demonstrate these things, but don't be intimidated by the quantities of food involved. The important procedures are the same whether you're cooking for your family or for the masses like we do in our restaurant. We've chosen some favorites from Dixie Bones. These foods seem simple, but like everything else in life, there's a right way and a wrong way, and often a better way to cook each. We're going to look at collard greens, macaroni and cheese, coleslaw, green beans, potato salad, and cornbread. We'll go over some principles about how to barbecue pork shoulders, beef briskets, spare ribs, and chicken. And there are things you need to know about frying catfish also. Barbecue is never served without sauces, and everyone has their own favorite. So we'll discuss sauces and how to make them. And finally, dessert. We'll explain what we're trying to accomplish in making pie dough. And we haven't forgotten real brewed Southern iced tea either. So I invite you to view all of the videos in this series and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching.